Now, this video is about wireframes, product design wireframes. So first question is, if you are a product designer or CEO or whatever you are designing or building a product, do you design wireframes with your hands or digitally, or do you design or wireframes at all or not? Because I have seen some people, they just skip this step, which I think is not a very good solution. So if you are working on a user onboarding flows or something like that, a new product or any product, I think wireframes are very, very essential. So they are going to have list down all the elements that are going to be present, the pieces of information that is going to be on that app screen or on that web page. So they are going to be listing all the building blocks of your design. So they are going to be black and white with no colors, maybe one color just to emphasize some actions. And I think that is how you simplify your wireframe. So what I do is, my first step would be I get my client do the wireframes. I need to see how and what they are thinking, what is in my client's mind. If you cannot read anyone's mind, so I am not a magician or a hypnotist. So I give them a paper. I just tell them that draw your concept on your paper, take a photo and send it to me. So that is all. So this is very, very easy, really easy. And then I can improve those wireframes further. We can get on a discussion call, UX discussion or discovery call, and we can further improve that even online live. So we can bring them in Figma. We can both, I have done this with one of my clients. We actually both designed and discussed at the same time on a Zoom call with Figma, collaborating with Figma and Zoom. So there are a lot of tools you can collaborate and you can discover new things while you are building a product design. And this video was specifically about wireframes. Now my question is, how do you approach wireframes and how do you do that digitally or manually or with your hands, pen and paper? So that is all. This is from me. I'm going to be signing off now. I'm Mohammed Hassan. I have more than 20 plus years of experience as a product designer, mostly for SaaS products or dashboards or landing pages, websites. I hope I am going to have a healthy discussion in the comment section below. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.